Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add textures to stickers and text on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to add in some textures to the sticker that you chose, like this one for instance. I'm just going to add it. Why is it very zoomed in? And I want to add it just on the stickers, so I'm just going to add a few here. I don't know why it's very zoomed in, honestly, but is there another one? Okay, I'm just going to add this one. I'm just going to add these in, but I don't want to add texture to the background. So what you can do is you can go to video effects and go to the texture part right here and select the texture that you want. For instance, like this print one, or these like folds, or like this plastic one. It's totally up to you which one you want to choose. I'm just going to add this print one. Don't think it can show up that well, especially on this sticker, so I might just delete that one and just scale it up a little bit so you guys can see. And I'm also going to add in these folds one as well. Select everything, right click and select create compound clip, so the texture will only be applied on the stickers. You can also do that for text as well. I'm just going to quickly type in floral. And I'm also going to change the font. Wait, hold on. What's this? Trying to find a font. Okay, this one. And I might change the color as well to, I don't know, like this green one, whatever. And then I'm also going to go to effects again, and I am going to add in another like print one. Wait, which one shows up better? Another print one and another fold one, and I'm going to select that, right click, create compound clip. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!